Hi! In front of me is XIAOMI 12T, and today I would like to show you how you can change and customize theme of your keyboard on this device. First of all, you need to open Devices Settings and scroll all the way down. Then choose Additional Settings over here. Now click on Languages and Input, Manage Keyboards, and Gboard. Finally, you can tap on Theme section, scroll down and choose Show More at the bottom right corners to see all the available ones. When you finished, just click on the best one for you. In my case, that one. Manage keyboarders thanks to this switcher and save your keyboard by tapping on Apply. So when I go back, as you can see, theme of mine has changed. But you can always go into the same settings, swipe up this time, and tap on this plus icon under My Themes. Now click on the photo that you wish to apply as your keyboard's background. If you can't find it over here, select those two lines at the top left corner and tap on one of those sources. I will go with Recent. Now click on the photo, maybe that one. Pinch it to scale and drag it to move. Then select Next. Now you can adjust brightness by swiping left or right and tap on Done. Finally, manage keyboarders thanks to this switcher and tap on Apply. In order to edit your keyboard, click on it and tap on this pen icon next to switcher. Then make your changes. Select Next. Adjust brightness by swiping left or right, but this time select Save instead of Done. Now you can manage keyboarders again, tap on Apply, and when I go back this time, as you can see, theme of my keyboard was successfully customized with an image. If you wish to delete your keyboard though, you need to go back, click on the one that you wish to get rid of, and select this bin icon. Then confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!